Our very first project, it's a big one. It's a 4-year project. It will serve 1,050 children each year during the summer. It will hire MCPS teachers for the summer program, and it will have a very strong evaluation component. And we're targeting the children who are low income and in most need. Why? Because during the summer, there's something called the summer slide. Many children enter the next school year with about 2 to 3 months behind. They have forgotten many of the things that they learned in the previous year. And this in the 3rd and 4th grade is really critical because it is a predictor of success later on. So the Rales Foundation has agreed to basically fund 50% of this endeavor, and the county will fund 50% of that endeavor. It will be a total of $3.6 million for the entire 4 years. And I'm really excited because I can't wait to see the results, because I'd like to scale these types of initiatives, and this is our first one. So it's a big win, I think, for us in Montgomery County and also for all those students who need it the most.